What makes a student profile stand out during campus recruitment drives?
So, over a period of time, what I've understood when I worked with different organizations, right? At any given day, performance is the factor which defines whether a student will be making the cut or not, right? So, profile whatever we do, but on the given day, a student has to perform, and the performance will come with only practice. So somebody has to practice the skill that he wants to pursue career into, and then move forward. So if somebody is focusing on practicing the skill, certainly if they are consistent, they will be performing that given day as well.
What would you advise students to focus on to become campus ready and career ready?
Being campus ready and career ready, in my perspective, only there are the two things, because there are many organizations coming to the institute. So for a student, to prepare specifically for multiple organization is going to be complex. So from the student perspective, I believe they focus on concentrating on a couple of skills they want to pursue future into, and strengthen their fundamentals, right? Fundamentals in programming, fundamentals in their core subjects, and that is what most of the organizations are looking forward to in a student and their learning ability. So if they want to ramp up the things, they should be good in fundamentals, having a learning ability and good cognitive skills.